If you've been looking for a fitness app that promises results, but don't want to waste time or money, you might have come across Leap Fitness, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another generic workout app. The surprising truth is, Leap Fitness focuses on structured routines with real tracking features, making it worth a closer look. Here's my experience. Leap Fitness offers customizable workout plans for different goals: weight loss, muscle building, or general fitness. You can set your experience level, preferred workout duration, and focus area. For example, I tried a 20-minute full-body routine designed for intermediate users, and it was challenging yet manageable. The app includes detailed exercise demonstrations showing proper form and providing tips to avoid injury. It also integrates progress tracking. You can log your workouts, track calories burned, and monitor improvements over time. This level of detail sets it apart from many free workout apps that offer only basic routines. One feature I really liked is the flexibility. You can swap exercises if you don't have certain equipment, and the app adapts the program accordingly. Leap Fitness also sends reminders and motivational tips, which can help you stay consistent, a key factor in achieving results. The downside: some advanced features, like specialized nutrition guides or longer programs, are behind a subscription paywall. Also, the interface can feel a bit cluttered at times, especially when browsing multiple programs. In conclusion, Leap Fitness is an effective tool for structured, customizable workouts. It's perfect for people who want guidance, progress tracking, and variety without paying for personal training. If you stay consistent, it can really help you achieve your fitness goals. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest insights on fitness apps and tools that actually work.